Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Emma Premium Pillow, a highly customizable pillow that promises a cool and supportive night's sleep. We'll explore its design, comfort, performance, and whether it's worth your investment. Let's start with the design. The Emma Premium Pillow features 3 foam inserts. One side is equipped with ThermoSync foam, specifically designed to keep hot sleepers cool, while the opposite side offers a softer, more responsive foam. There's also a middle layer that can be removed to adjust the pillow's loft, catering to different sleep preferences. When it comes to comfort, this pillow leans towards firm support. The ThermoSync foam side feels notably cool to the touch, which is a big plus for those who struggle with overheating during sleep. It's responsive, meaning it doesn't sink too much but contours enough to provide adequate support. The softer side offers a bit more plushness but still maintains a firm feel overall. One of the standout features is its adjustability. You can customize the pillow's height by adding or removing foam inserts. This versatility makes it suitable for various body types and sleeping positions. However, with all inserts in place, it does have a high loft, which might not suit everyone's preferences. In terms of build quality, the Emma Premium Pillow uses high-quality materials. The removable Ultra Dry Plus cover is washable and designed to withstand regular use. The foam inserts, while not washable, are durable and should maintain their shape over time. Should you buy the Emma Premium Pillow? If you're a hot sleeper looking for a firm, supportive pillow with customizable options, it's definitely worth considering. The cooling technology and adjustability make it a solid choice, albeit at a premium price point. That wraps up our review of the Emma Premium Pillow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments if you've tried this pillow or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.